Okay, so if your Xbox1 power supply is not lighting up white or orange, take the 4 buttons off of the bottom and you'll have 4 T10 Torx screws that you'll need to remove. These are tamper-proof screws, so you'll need to dig with a small metal pick and dig out the little divot in the center of the Torx screw unless you have tamper-proof set. Once you take that off and take those 4 screws out, then you can open up the box and you fold it open like this. You've got your power wire for your fan that sits in here. If you need to clean your fan, take these 2 screws here out, very small screws, and pull up on this side. It's got a couple of little brackets. I don't know if you can see them, but right here, those just slide straight up and you can clean your fan. If you have a no power issue and it's not lighting up, what I've found is the fuse, which is under a small little brown box that I actually removed, and that is located right here. That's the fuse. You can either just pull the wires up and try to tie them back together like I did, or if you want, you can get out your soldering iron and either solder in a small fuse in that area, or solder a piece of wire in that area and hope you never have a power surge. Those are the tips I have for you.